If you are looking for a business credit card up to $100,000, then you might want to watch this video. Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today, we're going to be talking about a business card that you could be approved for. In this video, we will be speaking about the United Business Credit Card with Chase. Now, a good thing about this business credit card is you do not need a super high personal credit score in order to be approved for this business credit card. Now, they do recommend if you are going to apply for this business card to at least have a 670 credit score and above in order to be considered to be approved for this business credit card. Now, as I did mention, they do have a limit as high as $100,000, but a lot of things play in factor in order to get that approval amount. How long have you been in business? Also, what's your personal credit score and what does your personal credit profile look like? Now, the minimum credit limit for this credit card is $500,000, but it can also be up to $15,000 as well. And how you get those amounts are them or so much of them looking at your overall credit profile and what's your income from your job or from your business. As I did mention, applicants must have good to excellent credit in order to be approved for $100,000. They do check your FICO score. So if you have a 670 or higher, Chase will consider your application personal credit score when reviewing your application. Other factors, business owners are personally responsible for any debt their business encounters. So Chase will perform a hard inquiry in order to see if you are approved for the business credit card or not. So this will result in a hard inquiry, and you would lose a few points from them doing this hard pull. Another great thing about this business credit card is you do not need to be a member, or you don't need a checking account in order to apply for this business credit card. You can apply as a guest, but if you are a Chase member, it would make it a lot easier for you to get approved for this business credit card as well. Another great thing about this credit card is you can earn up to 75,000 bonus miles after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of your account opening. Now, this bonus offer is available to you if you do not have this card and have not received a new card member bonus for this card in the past 24 months. Now, they do offer a lot of different perks and miles for this credit card as well. So you can earn a total of 7 times total miles on the United flights, 5 time miles on fare from United as a mileage plus member, plus 2 time miles on the entire United purchases with the United business card, 2 time miles on United purchases, 3 time miles on hotel stays booked through United Hotel, 2 time miles with or from United as a mile member, plus 1 times miles earned with United business card. So they do offer a variety of different miles that you do or you can earn. The APR does range from 21% all the way up to 28.99%. Now, as far as an annual fee, they have a $0 intro annual fee for the first year. Then after that, it will be $99 depending on your credit score and your credit worthiness. Again, with this card, they offer so many different things. So they have the United Club access to United Club, 1 time pass per year, free first checking bag, even more travel benefits for you to enjoy, and employee cards at no additional cost. So if you have people or employers that do work for you, you will be able to get additional credit cards for them as well. Now, again, travel benefits and rewards, travel and purchases coverage, partner benefits, mileage plus program benefits, and they also offer contactless pay. And you can also refer your friends if they don't already have a business card, and you can earn up to 100K bonus miles per year, which you can learn more about on their website. So if you guys are looking for a really good business credit card all the way up to $100,000, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.